tulnud siia talvisele rugale. Esimest nädal aega olen üksi, seejärel tuleb Karl ja vaatame, mis saama hakkab. Hommik, oleme siin ruganud ja nagu näha, ilm kõige parem ei ole. Seega lähme otsime Paud ja näitame teile actionit.
Kõva action.
Actionit.
Seda oleks või näidata, kuidas see kõhuli võid.
Said he was a man and what did he know? Spent his time living in a casino. Never know. Get away, couldn't ever get it anyway. Couldn't ever level cause he's living like a devil, hey. Hey, you ugly people, I want you to set my baby free. Hey, people, set my baby free.
Minti.
Sul ei ole seda küttepuud vaja.
Homme on meil võimalus hüpata. Seega peame suusad ette valmistama. Näitan teile lühidalt, kuidas minu suusad valmivad.
You said this would be the very last time I'll be seeing you. Cause you don't even wanna talk, and you don't even wanna meet up. You don't even wanna be friends. Pretend you like me. Ooh, I take time for love. That's right. Your love takes hold of you. Take charge of love, babe. I try my best to explain, yeah, but I had to throw it all away. I said I love you, baby, and I gave your love away. I said I love you, baby, and yeah, I did it. I gave your love away. I said I love you, baby, and I gave your love away. I said I the grave.
Kolmas katse. Anna kolmas, ei ole, 4. juba. Tuub 14. Safety grab. Yes sir. Valmis. Ja see oligi minu hooaja viimane laager. 3 nädala jooksul õnnestus ainult 2 hüppepäeva saada. Aga loodame, et läheb paremini järgmine aasta. Ja näeme järgmises vlogis.